Hello, my name is Nagalakshmi. I am from Telangana. I have completed BCom Computers at Sudhir Degree College in 2017. After that, I worked as a process associate in Genpact for 2 years. After that, I got a break of 3.5 years and I started searching for a job in IT field. One of my friends suggested me to join in Evision and I joined in Evision on 21st April 2025. So I must say it was a great decision to join in Evision. The team Evision provided me the excellent knowledge and training, practical knowledge and full support throughout the placement process. It is the 45 days internship program. It taught me the basic networking to advanced networking. I got placed at Progressive TechnoServe Private Limited. I would really thank to Priya ma'am, Sati ma'am, Deepika ma'am, Ganesh sir and all the Evision team. They helped me a lot to gain the knowledge and also helped me to get placed in the great organization. Thank you for Evision team for the great support. Thank you.